right, guys, check out this walnut log we just got in. 24,000 pounds, 21 feet long, over 50-inch diameter in the middle of the log. We think there might be veneer quality wood inside this. So what we're gonna do is actually split it down the middle, open it up, and see if we can slice walnut quartered veneer out of it. So we'll be cutting it in half, so stay tuned. All right, here's the reveal. So we got it open. This is about the straightest grain in walnut that you can find. So we're gonna have a really tough time debating whether we keep this as a slab log or a veneer log. But if you look right down the middle, you would just split this in two and basically cut quarter sawn veneer, quarter sliced veneer with it. We'll see.